Hello, my name is Atena. Today we're going to learn some new words. We will learn wanna, LEMME, gonna, gotta, gimme, kinda, and DUNNO. These are common expressions we use in conversation. We do not use these expressions in writing. We use these expressions when we talk. So these are all contractions. A contraction is when you have two words, but in conversation, the two words become one word. For example, want to is two words. In conversation, it becomes wanna. Or another example is want a. In conversation becomes wanna. These words are important to help you with your listening and speaking. So let's get started with wanna. So wanna again means want to or want a. Let's look at some examples. I wanna go home. I wanna go home means I want to go home. But in conversation we might say wanna. I wanna go home. Can you say this? The next one is I don't wanna see it. I don't wanna see it. Why don't you try to say this? Okay. The next one. Do you wanna watch TV? Do you wanna watch TV? So again, wanna. Here means want to. Do you want to watch TV? Okay, why don't you try to say wanna in this sentence? Alright. Well, so now we're on the last sentence in this case, wanna. Does not mean want to. It means want a. Because a shower, it's a thing, it's a noun. So I want a hot shower. I want a hot shower. Can you try to say this? I want a hot shower. Alright, so at the end of this video, we will do more practice with wanna and listening. Okay, the next contraction is gimme. Gimme is the contraction of two words, give me. So give me is the regular form, but in conversation we might say gimme. Gimme. Let's look at some examples. Repeat after me. Give me your money. Give me your money. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? The last one. Give me a call. Give me a call. Okay, and again, we will do some listening practice at the end of this video for these words. The next contraction is gonna. Gonna is the contraction of going to. So going to are two words. When we mix or combine them, we get gonna. Let's look at some examples. Repeat after me. I'm not gonna tell. I'm not gonna tell. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? She's gonna go to the park. She's gonna go to the park. Alright, well, let's look at some more contractions and then we will practice our listening for contractions. Alright, let's look at the next contraction. LEMME. LEMME is the contraction for let me. So let me is two words combined. We say LEMME, especially in conversation. Let's look at some examples and practice our pronunciation. Repeat after me. Let me go. Let me go. Let me know. Let me know. He didn't let me see. He didn't let me see. Alright, well, let's look now at the next contraction, which is gotta. Gotta. Gotta can mean got to if there is a verb after, or gotta can mean got a if there is a noun after. Let's look at some examples. I've gotta go. I gotta go. So you can repeat this. I gotta go. Have you got a car? Have you got a car? For this, got a car is an object, so it's got a car. For this, go is a verb, so it's got to go. Let's do the last one together. She hasn't got a job. She hasn't got a job. Alright, let's look at some more contractions and then we will practice our listening, alright? Our next contraction is kinda. Kinda. Kinda is the contraction for kind of. Let's practice some examples with the word kinda. He's kinda cute. He's kinda cute. So you can repeat that. Let's try another one. I'm kinda mad. I'm kinda mad. Alright? Now let's look at the final contraction we will talk about today, which is DUNNO. DUNNO is my favorite contraction. We can say, I don't know. I don't know. DUNNO means don't know. This is very common with English speakers. I don't know. Some English speakers might even say, which means I don't know. So let's practice this together. I don't know. I don't know. Your turn. Great. All right. Well, now let's practice our listening. You have learned the different contractions. Now let's practice listening to them in sentence. I'm going to say a sentence and I want you to tell me what contraction do you hear. Do you hear gimme, gotta, kinda, lemme, wanna, or DUNNO? Which one do you hear in the sentence? Alright, so sentence number 1. I kinda understand. I kinda understand. Which one did I use? Kinda. Good, alright. Sentence number 2. I gotta go. I gotta go. Which contraction did I use? I gotta go. If you said gotta, you're correct. The next contraction or the next sentence is I wanna see the movie. I wanna see the movie. I wanna see it. Which contraction did I use? I used wanna. Alright. My next contraction. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Which one am I saying? LEMME. If you say this one, you are correct. Alright, my next sentence is give me the phone. Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Which one am I saying? This one. If you say this one, you are correct. Gimme. Alright, my next sentence is I'm gonna try harder. I'm gonna try harder. Which one did I say? Oh, this was a trick question. It's not even in this picture. I'm gonna add it here now. Gonna. I thought I had forgotten one. So this is what I just used. Gonna. I said I'm gonna try harder. Let's do a couple more together. Let me see. Let me see. I just used LEMME. I gotta study tonight. I gotta study tonight. Which do you think it is? Gotta. I gotta study tonight. Alright, and let's just do one more. I don't know. I don't know now. I don't know now. If you say don't know, you're correct. So thank you for watching today's video. I also recommend you subscribe to my channel to see more English language lessons on topics like grammar, listening, spelling, speaking, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. I gotta go.